Wow, here we are. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about those tools, those special tools that every mathematician should carry with them. Well, the first thing you need is you need a tablet. Why do you need a tablet? Well, it's kind of silly, but it has all the apps that you're going to use. We're going to talk about apps in part 2 of this video. Second thing, a remote mouse. Why a remote mouse? Because I'm clumsy. Third thing, glasses. Why glasses? The screen is hard to read as you get older. And the fourth thing, of course, we have our recording software so you can hear my voice, especially if I decide to sing. There's another thing that most nerdy mathematicians have, and that's an iPod. And why do they carry an iPod? Well, how else are you going to check Facebook, your email, the weather, find out whether on latitude where everybody is? That's what you got to use it for. But really what we're going to talk about is we're going to talk about today, what are the tools that you need on your screen? Well, first of all, you need some kind of office program. I love to use PowerPoint. Students should know how to use PowerPoint, Word, Excel. That for sure are the requirements of a mathematician to present something in a clear, concise way. So we have PowerPoint, Word, Excel. We have those for our students to use. Students at home can use a cheap version called OpenOffice. The other tools that are kind of nice to have when you're recording is it's nice to have Audacity. What you can do is make yourself sound like a chipmunk. You can speed up sounds. It's really quite entertaining, things like that. I also like GooReader. GooReader, you might look it up. It's really something to do with Google. But you can pull up old math books and you can read them. It's really amazing. You don't even have to pay for it. Now there is Revolting TV. I don't know what that is. There is iTunes, and why do you need iTunes? You need that for your iPod. Okay. Over here in mathematics, I have the resources that go with my book. I have Fathom, the statistical software. I have Turpin Logo because I happen to believe that experimentation with being an epistemologist is a primary concern for anybody in mathematics. I have a snap timer, so when I want to set up a timing for getting something done. I have Microsoft Mathematics, which is a graphing calculator that's free. It's really nice. Download that onto your computer. And let's see, I have a TI Inspire, which is the full version of the TI Inspire, which will do CAST, computer algebra systems. In other words, you could say solve a quadratic, it'll do it. GeoGebra is an amazing program for doing geometry. So is Geometry Sketchpad. Geometry Sketchpad has some functionality the other one don't have. So those are the things that I think you ought to start with. Make sure you also have, by the way, a good security system on your computer. My favorite right here, if I could ever move that icon down, is AVG. And I like AVG. It's a free computer security program that checks your email and checks programs you download. Okay, that's kind of the idea of most of the things I use. We're going to talk a little bit more about some of the applications that you might use and how to use those applications later on. So thanks for joining us. It's been lots of fun. Come back and see us sometime.